Hello and welcome back. If you're trying to figure out how to embed a YouTube video in Google Doc, then you're in the right place. But the question here is it really possible to embed a YouTube video in a Google document? The short answer is you can't. But you can try this workaround instead, which is almost as effective. Here's a handy tip to embed a YouTube video in a Google Doc. Go to your drive and open Google Doc. Take a screenshot of your target YouTube video. Paste the screenshot into your document using Ctrl-V or Insert, then Insert Image. Select the image and right-click. Choose Link from the menu. Paste in your YouTube link. Now your collaborators can see a YouTube video. Isn't it a wonderful idea? Now you can redirect them to your YouTube videos in no time. Do you find this workaround useful? Where do you think you can use this hack? Share it with us in the comments section down below. Subscribe for your dose of Google Drive tips and tricks. Thanks and see you on our next videos.